Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping up with the latest tech trends, you've probably heard about AI being used in all sorts of creative and useful ways. But have you ever imagined having your own personal AI assistant that could basically do everything for you? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's dive into the world of human AI. A platform that promises to help you create your own AI human capable of handling pretty much any task you throw at it. Whether you want it to be your personal assistant, manage your business, or even freelance for you, human AI claims to make that possible with minimal effort on your part. Now, you might be thinking, how is that even possible? Well, stick around because I'm going to break down what this tool is all about, how it works, and if it's worth your time. So here's the pitch. Imagine you're juggling a full-time job, raising kids, and trying to start an online business all at once. That's the situation Sarah finds herself in. Every night after putting the kids to bed, she sits at her laptop, exhausted, wondering if there's a way to clone herself so she can get more done. Then she stumbles across Human AI, a service that lets you create a fully functional AI version of yourself, with all of your expertise, communication style, and knowledge. Pretty wild, right? With Human AI, you upload your knowledge, your ideas, your expertise into the system. You can feed it books, articles, courses, and all sorts of content. It then learns and adapts to become an expert in whatever field you choose. You can even train it to communicate in your voice, to the point where it sounds and acts like you. It's kind of like having a digital clone that can do all the work you don't have time for. Need someone to engage with visitors on your website, close sales, or answer customer inquiries? Your AI human handles it, while you kick back and focus on other things. The beauty of this system is that it promises to do all of this in real time and without any technical expertise. No coding, no special skills required. Just log in, pick a template, teach it what you know, and boom, your AI human is ready to take on the world. It's designed to be as easy to use as possible. The process starts with you logging in to an intuitive dashboard, where you can choose from pre-made AI templates, customize it with your own knowledge, and then let it handle the tasks for you. The platform also comes with a variety of features. For one, your AI human can operate in multiple languages: English, Spanish, Hindi, French, and many others. This is huge if you're thinking about scaling your business internationally. You could potentially reach customers around the world, all without the need for a multilingual team. You could even have your AI human host live streams, deliver presentations, or conduct interviews for you. The AI can basically step in and perform any role you would normally do, from sales calls to customer service to engaging your audience through interactive sessions. It's also advertised as being ideal for freelancers. If you don't have a business or you don't want to build one, you can still use the AI to offer services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Human AI even helps you find companies looking for AI assistants to automate their work, meaning you could potentially get paid hourly for allowing your AI human to do the work. This aspect alone has a lot of appeal for those looking for a side hustle or to make passive income without doing much. Now here's where things get interesting. Human AI is marketed as having zero upfront costs. Yep, you heard that right. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. The only thing you have to pay for is a small one-time fee to cover hosting costs, which they claim is less than the cost of a pizza. And if for some reason you're not happy with the platform, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're covered if things don't go as planned. But is it as good as it sounds? Well, from what I can see, Human AI does have a lot of potential, especially for people looking to automate tasks and free up their time. If you're someone who is trying to juggle multiple responsibilities, it could really be a game changer. However, as with any new tech, There are always questions about how well it can handle complex tasks or maintain a high level of accuracy and personalization. Still, the idea of creating an AI human that you can customize and rely on to do the hard work for you is fascinating. The fact that you don't need any coding skills or a huge budget to get started makes it very accessible to a wide audience. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or someone just looking for a way to automate tedious tasks, human AI seems to offer something for almost everyone. At the end of the day, it's up to you whether you think it's worth diving into. If you're the type of person who wants to save time, automate tasks, and potentially earn some extra income, it might just be what you've been waiting for. If you're still on the fence, you've got that 30-day guarantee to give it a try risk-free. So, if you're curious to see how this AI human thing could change the way you work and live, it might be worth giving it a go. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.